Trapond build part 2. What's up guys? So I'm back again and welcome back to my channel. I'm JP and today we're going to revisit our Trapond build so that you will know what are the improvements that I've made for the setup. So let's go. So this is now the Trapond that I built for a few days back, and then the system is running already, and just like my fish tank, it is equipped with the filters that I've made. Here are the filters, and as you can see, it is built with the two mechanical filters and the biological filter. Here you go. And then I have also here my sump tank. There it is already working, and I already checked the system and there are no leaks with regards to the piping or the plumbing. And I have here my submersible pump, and then from the sump tank the water is going back to the pond. And as you can see there is a sponge filter. I made a special sponge filter, and this pond is equipped with two sponge filters. There's the other one. Okay, so basically guys, this sponge filter will help the water to be more clear and clean all the time. You can see I placed in a bigger air stone. Okay, and all is well, except for the other day I have noticed some leaks in the system, but luckily I addressed the leaks because the tarpaulin has a small hole, so I sealed it, and well, it's good. So if you can see here, I placed in some plywood on the sides of the tarpaulin so that the weight of the water will hold the pond. And I'm so happy that when I tried to run the system, there were no leaks already, and I'll just wait for another 2 days to fill this with our new stock. So as of the moment, I am performing a dechlorination process to prepare the water for the fish load or for the new stock. So everything is doing well. The air pump, the submersible pump, the filters, and the most important part is our Trapond. Okay, so I'll just wait for 2 days, and then we will load in our new stock of tilapia. So that's it for now, and I'll be back as soon as possible. Okay. Okay, so now that our stocks arrived on time for the loading. Okay, and all we need to do is to acclimatize first, let it float for 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll just leave it there for 30 minutes to acclimatize in the water so that the temperature will be level inside the plastic bag with the water temperature of the fish pond. So time check, it's 10:30 in the morning. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna leave it there for 30 minutes. So by 11 in the morning, we'll release them in the new environment of the Trapond. So it's almost 30 minutes, and we're gonna gradually release the fish, but we need first to put in some water inside the plastic bag so that they will gradually fill the new water in their old system. Okay. So as I open the plastic bag, the oxygen is being released, but I made sure that I have a backup aeration. I have here my DIY air pump, and we're gonna give them water inside, air inside. There, I'm gonna turn this on. So there is aeration inside, and then we're gonna gradually put in some water. Okay, so it's done. I'm just gonna throw this old water out, and then we're just gonna observe them how they adapt to the new system. So look at them, they're over there. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video clip about the Trapond, or my new system. Well, unfortunately, I acquired the Mosabica species of tilapia, unlike the other red tilapia, which I was unlucky to have one. But my supplier promised that if he already have some of the fry or the fingerlings, he'll just call me, and that's the time I'm gonna get another batch of fish. But I think in that time my red tilapia will already be breeding, and so I think I will just wait for my red tilapia to breed and get some of the offspring, and again I'm gonna rear them and put them to another fish tank, so that some of them will go into the kitchen and will be good for our tummy. Okay, so thank you, guys, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and wait for the new uploads for this DIY sessions, and I hope also you click that notification bell so that you'll be notified for the new videos that I'm going to upload. And so that's it, and thank you for watching. Bye.